Old tires. What happens to old tires? Well, here at Buckley's, what we do is we want to make sure that these old tires, your old tires, never see the road again. That means that no one can come by and pick them up and resell them for used tires, because used tires are unsafe tires. If we recommend a set of tires, same as any other professional, there's a reason why. They may be aged out, they may be damaged, they may just be simply unsafe and really not made for your car any longer. They're done. So when you buy a used tire, you're really putting yourself at risk that you may not even be aware of. So what we do here, we drill. Why do we drill? Well, we want to make them unusable in any condition. And secondly, it helps drain the water out so that we don't get mosquitoes, in warm, humid days. And they're stacked properly so that we don't collect water. Secondly, we call a recycler, and the recycler comes out to pick up these tires monthly or every other month depending on our volume. And then from there, it goes here. Okay, so when we're done putting a hole in that used tire so it doesn't get back on anyone's car, they come over to here, which is Magnus Corporation, which is a local tire recycler right over here in Newcastle. And what they do is they shred the tires. Back there you see a shredding machine and, of course, some inventory ready to be shipped out. Now, recycling purposes, there's a few. They can shred the steel, get the steel out, of course, recycle steel. Rubber can be made into playground material and other uses. The best part is it doesn't go back on the road. It doesn't get on a car, and it keeps everybody safe. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care. As always, drive safe, drive smart. We'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.